Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on fast camera on Bereal app. So first of all, what you need to do is go into the Bereal app on your smartphone. Then you need to go up here on your profile, and then you need to tap on the three dots in the right corner. When you're in here, you need to click on Other. It's down here. And then you need to switch on fast camera. Be aware that it reduces quality. Then you need to go back. We could just test it. And it looks super good. Then you just need to click on Send. And now you have officially turned on fast camera. I hope this helps.